Wow. Yes, what's up, my people? What's up? Yeah, this one we're going to talk about a very important video. This one video we concern our brother Edo son with the name OTT, all the way from Malaga, Spain. OTT do erect a very massive hotel in Benin City, a multi-millionaire hotel in Benin City. We thought that everyone needs to be rejoiceful over this. Now make us carry and come. Make we celebrate with our brother, because now we are celebration day. Now they see me. Me don't know where you want me to see you. Now we are celebration day. Now me day. This one our brother OTT1. The way they shock everybody this time, wanna forget. If you see this hotel, the thing go shock you down, not be small. But I will put up on screen. You can see him. I guess when they see him, this hotel, I want to play the video for now because some people will believe saying now Photoshop, not be Photoshop. This hotel belongs to our brother OTT1, all the way from Malaga, Spain. And not ask me, I take game money, me not know. Me they celebrate people where they do well. And also some of them will go comment section later to ask, say, I not ask where you get money. That one not concern me. Waiting concern me be say our Edo son they do well, and I dey here to celebrate them. Now our brother OTT all the way from Malaga, now he build this hotel so for Benin City there. That one he build that for Limit Road, off Limit alongside Limit Road. Now there now he build this hotel so by Godwin Abbey Way. The hotel street, the name, everything. In fact, OTT himself go tell us where this hotel did, where he built and put the street, the number, everything. All right, make I play the video for now. Make una see him. Me not come be like say I don't want to show now the video. Make I place more, I go analyze more. I go place more, I go analyze more. Make una watch him.
Brand new hotel where one of our Edo son. Where the base for Malaga just built for along Limit Road. Now me MC Papilo they talk. Edo son from Malaga. I just now I arrange this one for along Limit Road. I beg me would they help our brothers. If you support person where God don't bless, God will still bless you. Not be saying you the curse people where God don't already bless. I God want to bless you. See you there now. Now our Dawson I build this one so they make noise OTT Spanish burger OTT from Malaga I build this one so now tell on social media wow we na dege tell I'm on social media social media waga neru no one so yo go na wa hotel na this is a brand new hotel by our brother OTT from Malaga OTT from Malaga I build this one so Tiebo, Tiokun. Tiebo now they are all moving forward. My brother, pray for people so that God will help you. I give me a bomb again now. Any rain, don't cause those that God have blessed. Now along Limit Road, now this hotel this so now brand new hotel now. See men, see the other celebration. See men. Now just video lady outside for inside that. I don't get light. This one a brand new hotel along Limit Road now you dey. Yeah, now our brother, this is our Edo son OTT. I build this hotel so. OTT1, I beg my hotel and how can you advertise it? Now you be now our Edo son OTT from Malaga and I do so. I been a lane on I hotel na Bolena along Limit Road. Why you got here bonegbe, why you neru negbe. No saba yi mabo, woman go na meroyi. Woman, go na meroyi, I'm the one who's about bless who knows how about your boy. Why you got your boom table with social media? Because you do this one so now. This man from Malaga, you know, we even say they Malaga, you know, they make noise. Oh, when you go Guetalo, when you go Otalo, you have to move away. I mean, the record and so MC Papilo International. But to go away, yeah, I mean, no Saba Boru, you go Saba make another Bumorue. No, I have no face of me. We don't have no man. So we to cause person will reach past me. I will beg and make it bless me. I will say, bros, bless me. Not how they curse you for back. No. They say they support you, Mr. Do. These are people who God don't bless. Oliver Twist of Mosogi. Ekpe wet. for permission extension. Wesley Asoro. Wesley Asoro just come up for here. No. He tell me say Papilo, God bless you. After I say God bless you, my brother. Yeah, this is me. This is Don Lucky all the way from Shegele show. I greet you, my brother. When you are new, no one Saba bless. I tell you, no one Saba bless. Yes, so yeah.
My people, una don't watch am, eh? Okay, no worry. There's more video. Make we dey go. I just say make I pause for them. Make I let una know say now the same OTT for all the way from Malaga. Now he waka pass just now we hold up a bag. If you see him for road, you no go know say now him God your bless so. Like I talk am before, me don't know where you want day. Me like to day where people they celebrate and everybody get choice. That my choice. I don't know what you will talk for comment section later on. But I just say I carry this one come now, make una see him. I too now see the one where they play now for my side. So when they see him, make a shift call this side. Make una they see him where. When I see the one where they play so, but for where OTT himself want to talk to us now, he want to talk to the camera now. Tell us the streets, the number of where you tell day. For where they talk to Wesley Asoro, now be this one want play for you so. And after he finish talk to Wesley Asoro, he want to talk to everybody now. A very humble person, very quiet, calm. You know, in fact, make una hear OTT as he talk to you.
This is where the father. My brother with another different mother. Thank you, church.
Congratulations.
Thank you, bro.
How are you, bro? Correct.
We are here live from Direct. We're enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, what's the address, please?
Okay, this is number 32. Because we're not based Limit Road.
Congratulations. So let's go in.
Yes, my people. Una hear where our brother talk that one OTT himself, the CEO of that so legit hotel. In talking saying number 32 Godwin Abbey Street off Limit Road for Benin City. Now there the hotel day. In case of any of now we want to visit Nigeria, visit those states, visit Benin City, make una patronize our brother. He don't build them. Make we patronize them. Now see, just now say even our own lovely those son Wesley Asoro still come happy with her, come celebrate with her. You know, and not say Wesley Asoro, they tell, he name there everywhere. For someone like that to still come happy with your brother like this, say yes, he want to do the same business what they do. Now so it's supposed to be. There's no need to hate each other at all. Anyway, make we continue. Make we show una around now. Waiting consign this hotel. So make we show una, make una see by yourself. Yes, my people, as una dey see am, una see our brother OTT na in the waka they go so. Now he wear white t-shirt so one dey see so in they talk to somebody so. Una see the hotel, it's a very massive hotel. If person do something, make we dey talk am. The guy try because I remember that year where if you want to travel go abroad, our papa, our mama, the first prayer where they pray for us say make we go do well, make for quick come back home, come invest. Sadly or fortunately, many of us now will travel go abroad to even come back home now don't become problem. You know, many people now to buy land are problem. Many people, their family don't destroy them, their friends don't destroy them. People where they trust, they don't destroy them. All the money where they don't suffer, gather, say me they can't do something for back home, they don't squander all of them. So if you see somebody like this, where if you gather your own money, anyhow when you take gather the money, he can't use that to invest, make we encourage them, make we support them. You know, me not support anybody where they kill anybody. Me not support anybody where they cause where they cause other people blood to make money. But anyhow, they are abroad now hustle. Now all of us they. Many of us not this successful. We need to be grateful to God. Upon the insecurity matter where everybody they talk for in those states, when I see this our brother still go do this one, he go do one for Benin City there. You know. Now prayer, now you suppose pray. Join us more. They pray for this guy, our brother. May God protect him for us. As he do this one, so may if he do more. See inside hotel as he fine. See staff everywhere. See us everywhere. See, what do you want to tell me? This hotel now not different from the kind of hotel where they see for abroad now. Now so they reach, see and see hallway. See us everywhere fine. So make we dey encourage our own. This one our Edo son. Now our Edo son be this. Let's encourage our own. Igbo people they encourage their own. Yoruba people they encourage their own. This one a Benin person, Edo son. Let's encourage our own. More leave gossip aside. More remove hate. You know, you have everything to gain by loving and celebrating with others, but you have everything to lose by hating and wishing others to fall. See hotel now. You just say this one now. This one that they call better thing. And if you see better thing, you suppose recognize them, my brother, my sister. You suppose recognize them. This our brother into try.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Welcome to
So legit hotel.
at
Godwin Abbey Way, Limit Road.
number.
2.
Okay.
I'm not a little big. Limit Road.
Okay.
So legit.
Wow. Okay. The kitchen. Okay.
That is it.
What we call hotel, multi-million naira hotel. Now this our brother, so OTT, all the way from Malaga, Spain. Now he built so. You know, this hotel, wanna not forget number 32, Godwin Abbey Way, off Limit Road. Now he built this hotel, put so. For some of una where they go house every time, maybe you get your house based on insecurity or based on one or two things, or family day your house, you just want to have your privacy, you want to stay hotel. I beg, make we still try more patronize our own brother. You know, it's the truth. If you don't support me, you don't expect you to be supported. Now, wait, now my belief be that. Support others for God to also send someone who will constantly support you. You know, so the only thing we will never confirm now the prices for the rooms. But if una need the prices for the rooms, Mona reach there, una go know. Or Mona leave them for the comment section, I go answer you back with the prices. At this particular time I was doing the video, the prices for the rooms, I don't have it with me. But otherwise, anybody wey go here say that Naija Watch na send that come, you go get discount. That one 100%. You go get discount. You know, now free advert they do for my brother. So some people will still say maybe don't pay us now. Now make all they do. No. If you see good thing, not be everything they're supposed to pay you for. If you see good thing, show up. This one a better thing, my lovely family. This one a better thing. Me, I like what me they look so. I like what I they see so. That make me the tell you now. If you see better thing, make with the talk am. Because if you check am, you'll see say this hotel it will fine. You know. So my lovely family, my lovely Naija Watch family, and others that's gonna play this video back again later on. Make una remember say hotel now, see compound. Me never know the way they take plan the hotel. Say the thing too big. You know, the guy try. The guy try. If person do something, they could talk him. The guy try. OTT all the way from Malaga, Edo Son. And that one may take the same for inside though. In case you don't understand, Edo Son, na be. Na Edo Son. So let's appreciate our own. It's very, very important. You know, he's our son. He's a Edo man. We should appreciate our own. It's very, very important. Okay, my people. Now now we will try make we draw the curtain, because we don't try for today. Make we show now what our brother can invest for Nigeria, for Edo State, for Benin City, for Off Limit Road, for number 32. God doing Abewe. Hey God, you not go miss him. Limit Road now just Limit Road now like inside GRO if they safe. You fit pass GRO enter, and you fit pass Sapler Road enter. So you know they hard. You don't go fit say you miss them. You know fit miss them. I beg, let's patronize our own. All of us don't join hand patronize so many people for that Benin City. As new ones still come, so more patronize the new place to hang out for Benin City. Now you they look so. Naija Watch family, this is it. I say make we bring and come. Let's try and encourage ourselves when we are doing well. Thank you, my people. Please don't forget to share this video. Share the video, and also remember to subscribe to our channel, Naija Watch. Like our videos. It means give us thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. We need the thumbs up all the time, you know. And share our video. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. And take care, my people. And now we draw the curtain. We say make we come celebrate our brother OTT all the way from Malaga, Spain. As you celebrate with him, the same way God will still send people to celebrate with you. Thank you, my people. Stay blessed, and God bless you all.
Hello Nigerians, hello ladies.
Hello my fans and the good people out there. Keep watching.
Keep watching it. What's up?
Naija Watch.
Naija Watch.